Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing fine. Today's video is how we can cook our fried rice the easiest way. And first of all, we have to wash our rice very nice. Wash very good. As you can see, I washed it very nice and the water should be white. Yeah. You wash very nice your rice, you keep it aside. Then we go to the chicken breast. You cut to the desired sizes you like. You can cut cubes or long. Yeah, me I cut long. I cut small pieces because when you cook the chicken it becomes big. Yeah, so you have to cut what the size you like. Me, I like small ones, like as you see how I'm cutting it. I cut very small, and you can use scissor. It is more nice, simple, as you can see. Then I marinate my chicken breast with the salt and black pepper. I leave it to marinate for like 15 minutes. I put it aside. Yeah, you see I'm mixing it. After mixing it, I keep it aside. Then we're gonna go to the vegetables we'll be putting in our fried rice. I finished washing them. As you can see, now we are going to just chop it. I cut them into small pieces, cubes. You can cut the way you like. No, you cut cubes because we are cooking fried rice, not hack noodles. So we have to cut into small cubes. I cut bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and orange. Then I cut some carrots. You can put whatever vegetable you have. I cut some onions, some green chili, sorry. Yeah, that's the only vegetables I had, but you can also add some cabbage and many more, whatever you like. Then you will have to cook our rice. We boil it, and I'm using machine. Yeah, I put only water and salt and olive oil. Now we are cooking it. See how it is going. It is going very nice. Yeah, and now we are done with our rice. Done. Our rice is ready. We go to the next step of cooking vegetables, and we will first apply some little oil. You can use butter or oil. Me, I used oil because that is what I like. You leave the oil to get hot. You put the garlic. Yeah, I cut garlic into 2 pieces. Each one garlic, I cut it into 2 pieces. I have to first fry the garlic. Then after becoming somehow golden, I cook on low heat so that the garlic does not get burnt. So yeah, as you can see, it is brown. Then you add your marinated chicken. You lower the heat so that the chicken gets fried and not burnt, and we will cook until our chicken is also somehow golden or brown. As you can see, wow, it looks nice and yummy. After we put our soy sauce, me, I did not use any measurement because I always do it like that, but you can put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and oyster sauce if you like. You can put, if you don't want, you don't put oyster sauce. You put 1 teaspoon of oyster, and soy sauce you put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then after you put our vegetables, the bell peppers, green chili, carrot, and the onion. I don't put all, I put some and some aside because I'll put it later for a nice smell. Then we go to the next step of cooking our egg. I have to first remove the what? Then I apply black pepper and little salt. I mix so that I can cook it. Yeah, black pepper plus salt. I mix it. Then I cook it. As you're gonna see, I apply some oil so that it does not stick on the pan. I cook. I fry it. I don't burn it. As you can see, I cook it very nice. You can see it is not burnt and it is looking nice. Look at our vegetables. They are already cooked because I left them on the what? On the heat, on the low heat. Then we put our cooked rice, already boiled rice. We mix them together. That's how it looks. I added some chili flakes though, though I did it in a high speed. Then we add our fried egg. Yeah, that's how it is. Then we put the remaining onion so that the rice smells nice. For for the rice to smell nice, as you can see, then we are ready. Their food is ready to be eaten. As you can see, it looks nice and amazing. Let me hope this video will be helpful to you guys. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. And please share this video to your friends. Bye bye.